Welcome to Label Resizer.
If Amazon splits your FBA shipments into multiple shipments, you may end up with box labels spread across many different PDF files. Sorting these labels by SKU can take time and slow down warehouse operations. With Label Resizer, you can merge shipment box labels from split shipments. It supports both SPD and LTL shipments. Labels can be grouped by SKU and generated as a single PDF, or as separate PDF files for each SKU. Now let's see how to do this using the Label Resizer web interface. First, download your box label PDF files from Amazon Seller Central. There is one important thing to keep in mind. All labels must be downloaded in the same format. For this example, I will download all labels using the thermal printing format. You can also download them as one label per A4 page if you prefer. Just make sure not to select 3 1/3 by 4-inch US letter format. In any case, Label Resizer will convert the labels according to the size format set in your shipment label settings. Now, let's go to Label Resizer and open the shipping label settings page. First, make sure your label size is set correctly. For this example, I selected the 4x6-inch label size. Next, check the Merge Output Format setting. By default, single PDF will be selected. If you want a separate PDF file for each SKU, you can select separate PDFs per SKU. For now, I'll leave it as a single PDF. Now let's go to the Merge Box Labels by SKU page and upload the PDF files we downloaded earlier. Once you upload the files, Label Resizer performs a quick pre-check on the uploaded PDFs. If the total number of boxes is more than 1,000, the process might take a few minutes, so it runs automatically as a background process. This means you don't need to wait on this page. You can stay here and monitor the process, or come back later and download your file from this page. You can view all background merge jobs from the last 48 hours here. Once a job is complete, you can click the button to download your file. When you open the PDF, you will see that it is generated as a single PDF and sorted alphabetically by SKU. For the single PDF merge output format, a separator label appears before each new SKU section. This separator clearly displays the SKU, making it easy to identify the next group of boxes. You will also notice that the fulfillment center code is added to the labels. This helps prevent mistakes and makes the labeling process much easier when preparing your shipment. Now let's go back to settings and change the merge output format to separate PDFs per SKU. Next, let's navigate back to the Merge Box Labels by SKU page. This time, we'll run the merge process for SPD shipments. I'll upload the PDF files that I downloaded earlier. Since the total number of boxes is less than 1,000, the process will run instantly. Once the process is complete, a zip file will be downloaded automatically. When you open the zip file, you will see that there is a separate PDF file for each SKU. When you open one of these PDF files, you will find all shipment box labels for that SKU merged together. Before we wrap up, remember that Merge Split Shipment is also supported by the Label Resizer Chrome extension. With the extension, you can merge your split shipment box labels with just one click directly while working in Seller Central. Thanks for watching.